Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kali ini saya akan membuat mesin waktu ya guys. Semoga kita pakai domain blok. Blok. Kita otomatis sudah di kodenya ya, dan langsung kita tulis dan ini ulannya. Kalau saya bahasa Indonesia ya nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, checklist. Oke guys, dan tinggal bahan-bahannya kita butuhkan. Saya pakai blok, ya blok kuasa, dan juga kita sediakan ini, dan kursi, mana kursi pintu yang ini akan bisa dibobol ya, maka ini ini dan juga satu lagi ini dah. Oke, langsung kita bantu. Kalau bentuknya sesuai kalian ya, kalau saya ya sesuai kalian. Dan otomatis kalau kalian ikutin saya ya sama kayak gini lah. Don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. In your eyes, there's a heavy blue, one to love and one to lose. Sweet divide, a heavy truth, water or wine, don't make me choose. Oke, setelah itu kita jangan lupa juga ya tadi ya kaca, mana kaca indah, agar kita bisa lihat perubahannya ya. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. In your eyes, there's a heavy blue, one to love and one to lose. Sweet divide, a heavy truth, water or wine, don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. In your eyes, there's a heavy blue, one to love and one to lose. Sweet divide, a heavy truth, water or wine, don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Oke guys, untuk tutorial kalian sudah selesai, dan biar lebih keren kita tambahin ini ya. Oke, kali ini channelnya